Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Tiko Aca Valentino, an accounting student at Widyatama University. Student ID 401221000016. Today I will present on how activity-based costing support managerial decision-making in manufacturing SMEs. I will cover three parts. First, I will define activity-based costing and its relevance. Second, I will present key empirical findings on how ABC influence decision-making. And finally, I will discuss practical implication and challenge for manager. In many manufacturing SMEs, cost pressure and competitive market make effective cost management critical. Traditional costing methods often allocate overhead broadly, which can obscure true product or process costs. Without precise cost information, managers may make sub-optional decisions on pricing, product mix, or process improvement. Activity-based costing, or ABC, address this limitation by tracing overhead to activities and cost driver, thereby offering more accurate cost insight. Understanding ABC helps managers in SMEs allocate resources more effectively and improve profitability. Okay, firstly, what is activity-based costing? ABC is a costing method that allocates overhead costs by identifying the activities that consume resources, and then assigning those activity costs to product or service based on cost driver. The main steps are identify and group activities, trace resource cost to these activities, and then assign activity costs to output using relevant driver, such as machine hours, setup, or inspection hours. Compare with traditional costing, which often spared overhead using a single volume-based metric. ABC provides a more granular view of cost behavior. This precision supports manager in understanding which product or process truly consume resource. Okay, secondly, let's examine empirical evidence on how ABC influence manager decision making. Nguyen, 2023, investigate factor affecting ABC adoption in business and find that when implemented successfully, ABC provide manager with more accurate cost information, enabling better pricing, product mix, and resource allocation decision. Moreover, a recent study showed that ABC positively influenced financial performance by enhancing cost control and operational efficiency, which in turn support managerial planning and strategy. This study indicates that ABC can lead to more informed decision, but also highlight that successful implementation depends on factors as managerial support, training, and educate IT system. Manager in manufacturing SMEs must therefore address this factor to realize the benefit. Now regarding practical implication. For manufacturing SMEs, adopting ABC means manager can set price that reflect to true costs, identify unprofitable product, and target process improvement. ABC also support budgeting and perform measurement by linking activities to outcomes. However, implementation requires manager commitment, educate training for staff to collect analysis data, and possibly investment in cost accounting software. Challenges include the initial cost of implementation, the time need to gather reliable data on activities, and potential resistance on rules or process change. Therefore, managers should plan carefully, pilot ABC on select process first, and ensure clear communication about its benefit across the organization. Okay, to summarize, activity-based costing can significantly improve managerial decision-making in manufacturing SMEs by providing accurate cost insight for pricing, product portfolio, and process improvement. However, successful adoption requires managerial support, employee training, and possibly investment in tools to collect and analyze data. I recommend starting with a pilot on critical product or process, communicating benefit clearly, and gradually scaling ABC usage. Looking ahead, integrating ABC with digital cost management tools or data analytics can offer near real-time insight. So, for reference, also on the slide, the main empirical evidence come from Nguyen 2023 on ABC implementation factor, and a study showing ABC positive effect of financial performance and decision making. That concludes my presentation. I hope the reference shown demonstrate the credibility behind the insight shared. If you would like to discuss how activity-based costing can be applied in your context or review and study in more detail, please feel free to reach out. Thank you for your attention and time. I now welcome any question or feedback you may have.